Hey guys, welcome to Akanksha's Nail Salon. Today is the first day of my nail business. I'm gonna do fake nails for the very first time with you guys on camera. So let's see what all we learn. So here is my hand, not very pretty. They are kind of dry and rough, but I really like my nails. They are very long and very thick. Now let's talk about the things you're gonna need. So obviously we need a nail filer and a nail cutter. That's why I bought this entire tool. We are doing fake nails, so obviously we need some nail also, and with that we need glue as well. These two glue I received with the nail kit only. If you want, you can go with the glue that comes with the nail kit, but I'm gonna try something else. You will see that. But yeah, you can give it a shot. I mean, who knows, that works well, right? So this is the glue I used in this video. This is from Miss Claire. Apparently it's very popular all over the internet. First, we're gonna use nail filer to obviously shape our nails. I have seen people using nail buffer as well to buff their nails. I'm just a little scared it might ruin my nails, so I didn't try that. So the entire purpose of buffing is to make your nail surface a little rough so that the glue and the fake nails can stick on it, just to make your fake nails a little long lasting basically. Now we need a cuticle pusher to obviously push our cuticles back. In this way, you create a little bit more space for your fake nails to sit on your original nails. Don't be in a hurry and don't try to, do it really fast because you might end up hurting yourself. Take out your sweet little time and do it. I did end up hurting myself. That's why I'm suggesting do it बहुत आराम से, बहुत प्यार से. Take out your little own time and then do it. जल्दी जल्दी में करने से you will end up hurting yourself. I'm telling you. So be nice to your nails. Now take out your nail kit and start choosing nails according to your original nail size. You can use it upside down as well, which means the side which is little narrow, you can fix it towards your skin, which means towards your hand, and the broader side would be outside. And actually that is the right way to do it. Now it's time to stick these fake nails on our original nails. You can take any choice of your glue you want. I'm gonna take this Miss Claire one because obviously it comes with that nail paint brush thingy, which is just convenient to apply it all over your nails. And yeah, just apply the glue and start sticking nails on your original nails. Make sure to press it properly or else it won't stick there, it won't sit there. And also don't apply a lot of glue because it will take time to dry down and your nails will keep falling. Now it's time to paint our nails. I want to paint my nails blue. I don't know, for some reason I really like it. I have two, one from Miniso, one from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use this Miniso one because apparently it's very nice. I really like it. And yeah, start painting your nails. You will see how beautiful it looks, guys. I was crushing all over my nails. I mean, I was in love with my nails. My nails never looked this good. See, they look so nice, chic and clean, that too under ₹200. We tend to spend so much money on nail salon. We pay 2,000, 3,000 bucks, but it's just 200 bucks and you can fix your nails. No matter how much good they look, guys, don't do it too often because honestly speaking, it's gonna ruin your nails. It takes a lot of time for your nails to recover from that glue you stick on it. So yeah, once in a while, if you have any nice function, if you have good event, if it's your birthday, like anniversary, then do it, but don't do it on a regular basis. I don't know how all these people who do it on a regular basis, they tend to manage their nails. I don't know what kind of dance I'm doing here, but yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with a new video really soon with nails, related to my nails, because I know this is not a right way to do it, but I'll keep doing it. I'll keep learning myself. I'll keep fixing myself, and I'll come up with a new video with more details. And yeah, till then, do like, share and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.